Hi, welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk about how to enable charging alert to charge your iPhone when the battery is low. First, open Shortcut app. Go to Automation. Tap on plus icon on top right corner. Tap on Create Personal Automation. Scroll down to Battery Level. Choose the percentage of the battery level that you want to get alert on. Select Falls Below Percentage. Tap Next. Press on Add Action. Search for Speak Text. Type the phrase that you want iPhone to say when it needs to be charged. Tap Next. Turn off Ask Before Running. Press Done.
Please charge.
As you can see, the shortcut is working fine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.